Hello everyone, this is Mazhar and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Learning Digitally. Today we are going to navigate the frontiers of artificial intelligence. We will unveil the artificial intelligence philosophically and epistemologically. We also discuss, can machines be smart like humans? We also explore whether computers and robots can be more than just tools, whether they can think, learn, and maybe even understand things like we do. So, watch this video completely. You will get more knowledge about artificial intelligence. Let's delve into the video. Friends, artificial intelligence stands at the forefront of technological evolution, a realm where minds and machines converge to redefine the very essence of intelligence. The philosophy that underpins the development of artificial intelligence encapsulates a tapestry of complex and multidisciplinary perspectives, each thread weaving a narrative that explores the profound questions posed by this transformative technology. Therefore, the philosophy behind artificial intelligence is a complex and evolving field that encompasses a variety of perspectives. When we talk about the philosophy behind artificial intelligence, we are essentially pondering the big questions about machines and minds. Friends, imagine and ask yourself, can machines be smart like humans? That's central idea. So we are exploring whether computers and robots can be more than just tools, whether they can think, learn, and maybe even understand things like we do. It's a bit like trying to create a digital brain. We want to understand not only how to make machines do specific tasks, but also whether they can have a kind of smartness that resembles human intelligence. This raises exciting but also challenging questions. For example, can machines ever be conscious like we are? Can they truly understand things, or are they just following instructions without really getting it? So, friends, these are the questions which are about to discuss in this video. Epistemology is like the study of how we as humans know what we know. But when it comes to artificial intelligence, it's a bit different. Instead of learning from experiences like we do, artificial intelligence learns from tons of data. It's a bit like teaching a computer to recognize patterns. So imagine you want a computer to tell the difference between cats and dogs. You would show it lots and lots of pictures of cats and dogs, and it learns to recognize the features that make each one unique. This process is called machine learning, and it's a key part of how artificial intelligence gains knowledge. The interesting thing is that artificial intelligence doesn't understand things in the way we do. It doesn't have feelings or experiences. It's more like a really smart patterns matcher. It can make predictions or solve problems based on the patterns. It learned from data, but it doesn't truly know or understand things the way humans do. So, when we talk about the epistemology of artificial intelligence, we are exploring how machines acquire knowledge, not by experiencing the world like we do, but by analyzing and learning from loads of information. Therefore, the process of machine learning raises questions about how knowledge is acquired. It involves examining the epistemological aspects of artificial intelligence, considering issues related to learning, adaptation, and reliability of artificial intelligence systems in generating knowledge. Here are some key philosophical considerations in the realm of artificial intelligence. At the heart of AI philosophy lies a fundamental inquiry into the potential intelligence of machines. Can we create entities that possesses a cognitive talent similar to human intelligence? The conversation extends beyond the technical complexities of algorithms and neural networks to delve into the mysteries of consciousness, self-awareness, and the intricate nature of human minds. So, this exploration prompts us to ponder the very essence of what it means to be intelligent. pushing the boundaries of what machines can truly comprehend. As artificial intelligence systems advance in sophistication, the ethical consideration surrounding their deployment become paramount. Delving into the philosophy of AI requires a careful examination of the moral implications inherent in creating autonomous systems. So, from the potential biases embedded in AI algorithms to the far reaching consequences in domains like healthcare, finance, and criminal justice, philosophers guide us through a terrain where responsible innovation is a moral imperative. Philosophical reflections on AI agency delve into questions of autonomy and free will. So, question arises: can machines truly act autonomously, or are their actions predetermined by programming and data inputs? These inquiries open avenues for discussions on the nature of decision making, the boundaries of machine autonomy, and the implications for the broader discourse on free will and determinism. So, dear viewers, the existential implications of widespread AI deployment echo in discussions on societal impact. From potential job displacement to economic shifts and a redefinition of human identity and purpose, guiding us through an introspective journey, contemplating the societal transformations brought about by the integration of intelligent machines. So, computer scientists investigate whether AI systems can potentially possess consciousness or subjective experiences, engaging in debates about the nature of consciousness and tackling the hot problem that involves explaining how and why we have subject experiences. Exploring the question of whether AI systems can possess consciousness or subjective experiences leads us into debates about the nature of consciousness and the challenging hard problem of explaining our subjective experiences. Some inquiries go beyond the technical aspects and venture into the delicate realm of consciousness. This prompts us to contemplate whether AI systems can genuinely have subjective experiences. So, delving into this hard problem provides a peek into the complexities of consciousness and encouragement us to ponder the nature of machines' experience in a world dominated by algorithms. So, the philosophy of AI extends into the dynamics of interactions between humans and machines as we contemplate the role of AI in augmenting human abilities, fostering collaboration, and reshaping human relationships. Guidance is provided toward a future where the fusion of human and artificial intelligence yields new dimensions of creativity, cognition, and collaboration. So, computer scientists serve as the guardians of ethical boundaries in the pursuit of AI excellence. Through discussions on the potential risks of unchecked development, the need for regulatory frameworks, and ethical consideration in setting limits on AI capabilities, they illuminate a path toward responsible innovation. In a nutshell, the philosophy behind AI is about making machines that can do more than just follow instructions, machines that can think, learn, and maybe even understand. The epistemology of AI is about how these machines acquire knowledge, mainly through analyzing patterns in vast amount of data. So it's a fascinating journey into the possibilities and limits of creating intelligent learning machines. So friends, in conclusion, the philosophy and epistemology of artificial intelligence form a captivating odyssey into uncharted territories. As we stand on the height of an AI infused future, guided by the insights of philosophers, we embark on a journey where the convergence of minds and machines shapes not only the technology of tomorrow, but the very fabric of our existence. In this era of possibilities, the synergy between philosophy and AI drives us toward a future where innovation is not only groundbreaking but ethically sound and profoundly human. If you have understand something, like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon. Till next video, happy learning, take care, stay blessed.